Floppy wants to play, but everyone's busy.
Kira Kira English School, learning English through Storytime.
Go away, Floppy. Stories created by Roderick Hunt and Alex Brighta. Go away, Floppy. Go away, Floppy. We are skipping. Go away, Floppy. We are painting. Come back, Floppy. Floppy, come back. We are sorry. Now let's practice the phrase go away. We use the words go away when we don't want to be bothered. Do you still remember the characters in the story? Now let's practice using the phrase go away using their names. Go away, Chip. Go away, Biff. Go away, Wilf. Go away, Wilma. Go away, Floppy. Now let's practice using the sentence go away with the people around you. Why don't they want to be bothered by Floppy? They are busy. What are they doing? What are you doing? We are painting. What are you doing? We are skipping. What are you doing? I'm drawing. What are you doing is a question to describe someone's situation or activity in the present. In English, when describing a situation or an activity, subjects are paired up with to be as presented in the note on the left. So if you want to change the subject with he, it would be, what is he doing? And the answer would be, he is. And simply add a gerund or ing after the action to state that it is happening right now. Now let's practice asking and answering the question, what are you doing, with the people around you. Everyone was busy, so Floppy left. Now everyone felt sorry and asked Floppy to come back. We use the phrase come back when we call someone to return. Names can be placed before or after the word come back. Now let's practice the phrase come back with the people around you. Everyone felt bad and now they want to make it up with Floppy. As explained earlier, subjects are paired up with to be to describe a situation. Here, we are describing their feeling. How are you? We are sorry. Now let's look at Floppy in the picture. How is Floppy? Floppy is happy. Now practice the phrase with the people around you. Use the note on the right side to change the subject and the appropriate to be. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Stay tuned.